Welder protection is essential to prevent dangerous skin burns, and having the right welding glove can make a tremendous difference in your welding safety. The best welding gloves will protect your hands from exposure from the safety hazard elements, including flying sparks from high-speed plasma cutters, spatter, UV radiation, and electrical hazards. To ease the selection process, we've compiled a list of the top 5 welding gloves in the market that will provide you with all-around safety, protection, and hopefully, you'll find one that fits your needs. Number 1. RAPICCA Leather Forge Welding Gloves. The RAPICCA Leather Forge Welding Gloves are made with a full leather outer. The overall glove length is 16 inches, with a 7/5-inch sleeve length. RAPICCA uses thick, soft and flexible shoulder split cowhide, making these gloves very thick yet retaining a great deal of flexibility. They are treated for heat, oil and fire resistance. These gloves feature double-layered padding made of Kevlar sheeting and aluminum insulation to shield the fingers, and RAPICCA Leather Forge welding gloves provide added high-temperature protection. However, some users felt that the heat protection wasn't consistent throughout the entire glove. RAPICCA advertises a temperature rating of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. That's probably higher than you would want to test them for at least the first time using them. RAPICCA Leather Forge welding gloves also feature extra shielding on the palms and backs. RAPICCA incorporated a full cotton liner over the entire inside of these gloves. Some users have complained of the liner turning inside out when removing the gloves. That could be an issue on the job. The Kevlar sheeting also adds additional resistance to punctures, tears and cuts. Pros: rated to a high temperature, comfortable cotton liner, double-layered Kevlar padding, shielded fingers. Cons: inner liner can come loose. Number 2. Wzqh Leather Forge Welding Gloves. While Wzqh may not offer the most comfortable welding gloves, it is still one of the most popular brands thanks to its industry-leading gloves that are perfect for heavy-duty usage. Wzqh's welding gloves come at the second position of this listicle, as these are the best option present here that are made for industrial usage. Since these are made for heavy-duty usage, you get a standard length of 16-inch, but the best thing about these welding gloves is that they can withstand a temperature of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much higher than others. Apart from protecting your hands and arms, these gloves are also highly sturdy and reliable thanks to their lifetime warranty. Underneath the leather is air-isolated aluminum foil and flame-retardant cotton, offering protection from fire and heat. An insulated soft cotton lining is comfortable against the skin. Kevlar stitching adds durability to these gloves, along with reinforced double leather stitching on the vital parts of the gloves. These heat-resistant gloves can be used for stick welding, MIG welding, flux core welding, or other high-temperature applications. They measure 1/6 long with a 7 denim jean cuff. Best features: offers a length of 16-inch, rated temperature limit of 932 degrees Fahrenheit, made out of leather, comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Traditional Welding Gloves. While this set of gloves from Lincoln may be more affordable than other welding gloves on the market, they still provide plenty of protection for welding. A full leather outer reinforced with a split leather cowhide inner provides excellent heat protection. A reinforced leather patch around the thumb adds an additional layer of protection for the hands while extending the lifespan of the gloves. Kevlar stitching ensures the seams hold up against intense heat, while a soft cotton inner adds comfort for those longer welding jobs. For those who wish to weld in style, this pair features a flame design on the cuffs. While this pair of gloves offers great value, the one-size-fits-all design may not work for those with smaller hands. However, because this is a budget option, you do not get any temperature rating with these welding gloves. That being said, its lined leather construction combined with Kevlar stitching makes this a highly durable welding gloves pair. Since Lincoln Electric is a reputable brand, you also get a 1-year-long warranty along with it. Pros: affordably priced, Kevlar stitching with a double layer of leather, reinforced thumbs, fairly long warranty. Cons: shorter cuff than other gloves. Number 4. Revco GM1611 Black Stallion MIG Welding Gloves. The Revco GM1611 Black Stallion MIG welding gloves are made of thick, flexible cowhide on the palms and the backs. They are 12 inches long with wide cowhide leather cuffs. Users praise the feel of these gloves, with many impressed by the cotton liner. Others mentioned the superior touch of the design, with more than a few using the same gloves for their TIG work. With a full cotton liner inside, the Revco GM1611 gloves are comfortable to wear for extended work sessions. Owners love the seamless index finger and the trademark Black Stallion reinforcing patches on these gloves. Revco calls the reinforcement on the heel of the glove the drag patch, And additional reinforcing leather on the back of the cuff is named Rest Patch. The Revco gloves also feature Kevlar stitching on every seam for maximum durability in the high-temperature, high-impact environment created by the welding processes. Owners love the durable construction and the fit on these gloves. They wear well in the fingertips and the seams stay together. Some users wish they were longer, but they do their job. Pros: all-day comfortable, take heat well, good dexterity. Cons: fingers wear more than others. Number 5. Yuan Extreme Heat and Amp Fire-Resistant Gloves. The Yuan Extreme Heat and Amp fire-resistant gloves are made from cowhide, chosen specifically for a thickness over 1-2 mm, for softness and for flexibility. They aren't dexterous enough for TIG, but work well for stick and MIG welding. They protect well from radiation, sparks, and spatter. The thick leather has a good deal of fire resistance and provides a good physical barrier. They also work well for grinding. They're lined with thick, soft cotton, providing a great deal of comfort. Some users say the gloves aren't great with extreme temperatures. They can't be in constant contact with high-temperature metal like a fresh weld or something that's just been ground heavily. For handling parts and moving things around, they're perfect. The Yuan gloves are very sturdy, using Kevlar stitching, reinforcing patches and incorporating heavy denim cuffs. The 14-inch length provides safe coverage well up the forearm, and because they're made of such thick and soft material, they're comfortable and protect your hands well from the cuts, scrapes and bruises of long workdays in the welding environment. Pros: very comfortable, thick liner, soft and flexible. Cons: won't take extreme temps.